So, which security component matches the identity and access defense, defense and depth layer? Identity and access.
Identity here. So identify who is trying to connect. What do you use?
Wow. So maybe the camera, the surveillance camera.
No, that's
Yeah, we don't.
physical. That's
Yeah,
physical. Remember
yeah.
that one. Surveillance camera is physical identification.
Yeah.
Okay, what do you need to do if it concerns identity and access?
MFA. It
Yeah.
should be MFA.
Yes, yeah.
That was my response, initial response.
Yeah.
That's the
This
second
is a different
question.
question.
No? That's a
Okay.
different question.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I thought that we're on question number
So
one.
that's the tricky
Can we go
thing.
back? Jordan, apologies.
first
Can we
one.
go back to question number one?
Yeah.
Which security component matches
When I
the
meant tricky questions, asked again and again in different ways. That's what I exactly meant.
Oh my god, yeah. They repeat the questions in a different way, yeah? Can we go to question number two?
Okay.
Matches the identity and access. Oh yeah, MFA, yeah, it makes sense.
And then physical security.
Oh
was
yeah.
What I was saying.
Camera.
So you would say camera.
Yeah.
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 So
I will share the table on the messages. Just bear
Okay.
with me for a second.
Okay. Of depths in
So
defense.
this will help you to memorize this actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, what are you going to share for them?
I will share the table. God, if I can. Yeah.
okay. So
Okay.
whenever Fulden is doing that,
I did camel. Sorry.
so can you use
Wow.
Azure
Exact.
policy to apply tags
exact
to
answers.
resources?
Roxanne, have you seen the table?
Yeah, one sec. Let me check on the table.
Okay.
Sorry, Jordan.
Blocks. Bear with
Yeah.
me. Use Azure policy to apply tags to resources. Yeah, I've seen the table.
Yeah.
I think the answer is yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, of
So-
course it is.
Yes.
Of course you can. Yeah. It's like everything you can apply tags, even on Facebook. For example, if you're applying tags to a photograph or something,
You need to follow
You
policy.
can have different names. Yeah. So with this one, you can use Azure policy to apply tags to resources. Yes, of course you can. You can assign tags to a person who's allowed to do certain things. So, right. So you can add multiple tags to the same
I think so.
Azure resource.
Is it a yes? I think it's a
I
yes.
would say yes. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a yes. Azure
And Azure
is a yes.
resource. And
Yes, it does. It does inherit.
no,
Yeah.
it doesn't.
Inherits from.
Really?
It doesn't inherit. You have to actually do it yourself.
Oh.
It doesn't inherit tags.
Right, I will
So
remember.
inherits tags.
Yeah. Inheritance is for locks, not for tags.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Doesn't inherit.
It is the Azure policy, isn't it?
Yeah.
You can inherit
Tags are
tags using
unique,
Azure policy.
unique
Yeah.
names, unique ID.
Yeah, you need to do this if you're assigning tags. You need to do it personally. You need to do it yourself. It doesn't inherit them.
Okay.
You know,
Yeah.
The only
if I
other
said
way you
if I said
is you can make them inherit tags using Azure policy.
it's nothing to do with policy. It's
Tags just naming them so that
yeah. So
you
if
know
I
which.
said Ola can access this, Fulden can access this, I'll give you the role of whatever. But you need to do it personally. It needs to be manual.
Manually, yeah.
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 So that's a no.
Even we check the message, you can use Azure policy to enforce tag inheritance, tax inheritance. Ignore me. For example, by creating a policy that appends the same tags from a resource group to all resources within it. Without such a policy, the tags remain independent. But as you say, Jordan and Ola, it has to be done manually.
Yeah. It has to be done manually. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So you can assign a policy to a virtual machine.
Yes, I think so.
Okay.
Virtual
yeah.
machine is the resource.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
So
Is it a yes? It should be yes.
Yeah, I think so.
non-compliant resources. Okay, you have to read the question on this
If
one. Oh,
I think so, yes.
what was I saying about manual stuff?
Oh, do we need to do it ourselves?
Yeah,
So the answer is no.
yeah,
Okay, it makes sense.
yeah.
Yeah.
You can't. They're not automatically removed.
Okay.
You have to do it yourself. God, I
Okay.
hope I'm right on that one. Actually, So-
I feel
Yeah,
it should be no. No, I feel it should be yes. So let's just mark this question. Yeah.
Azure sites where only compliant can be deployed. Yes.
I would say yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So compliant. Yeah. Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Azure Advisor
Yeah, I think it's a yes.
by
Advice
Azure
of-
Backup. Azure Advisor can list.
It's a yes.
I would say no
Why?
because the advisor is more to do with cost.
Okay.
But I agree with John. Sorry, Jordan.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
I would say no.
Yeah.
Okay.
Guys,
It
it's
is
a
okay.
democratic
Let's
vote
explain
here.
I know.
So,
Azure Advisor does not generate a list of virtual machines protected by Azure Backup. Its purpose is to provide recommendations or improving performance, reliability, security, and cost efficiency across our environment.
so it can't. Yeah, it doesn't.
Hold on. Where are you reading this from?
Secret. I'm using Copilot, Microsoft Azure Copilot.
Okay, nice.
Okay,
Yeah.
so basically, Fulden is cheating. Okay.
If you
Because I
implement
like
security-
explanation.
Yeah, yeah,
Or
just to
why
have it.
yes, why no? And sometimes if the question is tricky, then
I'm
we
only
need this
messing.
explanation
I'm
to
only messing.
understand properly why we are giving that answer.
Okay. Yeah. So if you implement the security recommendations provided by Azure Advisor, your company's score will decrease. Well, that's
Yep.
No, no.
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 Yeah.
Obviously, it's
Okay.
yes. I think it's a yes.
Yeah.
I would say
100% is the
no.
highest percent.
Yes.
Okay.
The security, excuse me, recommendations. You must implement the security recommendations within 30 days. No, you don't.
Oh,
Because that's up to you. You can
All right.
implement
Yeah,
them
that's
whenever you
right.
want.
oh.
There's no time limit.
Yeah, it depends on the company or the individuals using Azure.
So it's no.
You're right.
So you don't have to do it within 30 days.
So it provides us with recommendation, but not force. Doesn't force us.
Yeah.
I think it's the second tax.
So what should you use to track the costs?
So it's either budgets or tax.
It is,
But
yeah.
yeah, at least she has been able to take away two wrong ones. So
Why, Roxanne, why would tags be correct?
No, I know.
I can't
That
see.
is here as well.
I'm not gonna say why.
Who's here?
I am there, yeah.
Hello.
Hello,
To see you,
everyone.
Kat.
Oh, I just have only a few minutes. I just came back from holidays and I have lots
Oh,
of laundry and
Kat.
everything
Where,
for that. Yeah.
Welcome back.
where did you go?
Oh, Wales, Anglesey, camping. I do it every year, twice a year. Yeah. Anyway, yeah. Coming back to Azure, you're doing quite well. I've been
Yeah.
watching you from behind.
Have you been spying on us, Kat?
I was, yeah. I was, of course. Why not?
Well done.
Okay.
No, carry on. Don't worry, I'm here.
It's okay.
Okay.
So track the costs. I was just saying to Roxanne, what do you think is tags?
Because you
It's
can track
between
it.
these two. Yes, it is between these two.
Because there is a tracked history. Maybe budgets.
Yeah.
Question is, can I kick in for a second?
Yeah.
What is
Yes.
budgeting? What is budgeting? Imagine the word, what's budgeting? Budgeting is to recalculate what you
Track
have
the
income, you
costs.
have outcome, and things like that. What is tags? They track the cost of the resources.
Yeah.
Tags are great for subscription management and costs for the billing periods. So between tax and budgeting, which one would you choose for this question?
Budgets. Then.
So organizing resources or budget.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
budgets. It's got to
Yeah.
be track the costs.
Yeah, it's budgets.
Yeah.
Okay, this is my area. Right, I got a presentation on this motherfucker. So, oh, sorry, I swore. Sorry, excuse me.
Terrible,
Excuse
terrible.
me. Sorry, apologize. I apologize for that. Sorry.
Don't do it again.
Yeah, apologies. Azure R can manage physical servers that run Linux.
No.
Of course they can.
I think it's yes.
Okay.
That's the whole point of Azure Arc.
But why did you
Before you
say
answer it,
no?
I think before you answer your question yourself here, is just ask yourself, what is Azure Arc? What does it do? What does it manage? And why? And then you have your answer for the question.
Yes.
Yeah. So, Roxanne, what do you think Azure Arc does? If you don't mind me asking.
It does manage the resources.
Yes, but it manages resources between the arc is, in the answers in the name, an arc, so you're providing a connection with other resources.
So, such as it allows you to bring on-premises, multi-cloud, and edge resources under a unified control plane.
Using Copilot.
Well, Copilot you can use whatever, but I wouldn't say Copilot is not a physical server. It's a web app.
Yeah.
So, but you can use Arc to connect other physical servers. You can use your hardware. They're run on Linux. If you're using Windows, if you're using Apple, whatever, you can still connect.
Mm-hmm.
So, I think I'm right. Hopefully, I am. So Kubernetes. Oh God, Kubernetes. So Azure Arc can manage Kubernetes clusters at scale. Yeah, I think it can. What would you say, Roxanne? I'm gonna go with you.
Azure can manage. Yeah, I think so.
Okay. I would say so too. So Arc can manage a third party database solution hosted outside of Azure. This is a tricky one.
No, it's a third party.
Yep.
Uh,
I would. Yeah. No. You're 100% right. I would have said yes, but I'm pretty sure it's no. Because because it can't manage a third party.
exactly.
You can
Yeah, it is
connect.
not there
You
to manage a third party.
yeah.
Your
You can't manage it. You can connect, but you can't manage it. So yeah.
I
Okay.
have an Azure web app.
So from your iPhone, what are two management tools you can use? You need to manage the settings of the web app.
So it's Azure Portal
Yeah, I would say so.
and maybe PowerShell. Or is it just two? Yeah, or maybe the Cloud Shell. Oh yeah, the Cloud Shell.
I don't know actually. I don't know this one.
I think it's, no. It's Azure Portal and the Cloud Shell. I
Okay,
think so.
I'll go with that. I'll go with that.
Great.
So, actually, you need to prevent.
Locks. You need to use locks.
Yeah, I would say so. You're gonna pass this exam, Roxanne. 100%.
I don't know.
Yeah, you will.
The company's got 10 offices. You plan to generate several billing reports from the Azure portal. Okay, which Azure subscription should you use before you generate the reports? Oh, wow. Policies? Or templates?
I'm thinking templates. Yeah, because if you plan to generate several billing reports, so it's got to be a template, isn't it? So you can replicate it.
Yeah, it makes sense. Shall we go with templates?
Yeah, let's go with that. Or, oh no, hold on.
I think it is
I think
text.
it's policies. Is it not policy? Sorry, full name, what did you say?
Is it not text?
Actually, it could be tags. Fulden, yeah.
Yeah,
Your company has 10 office billing reports. Yeah. Actually, I think you're right. I think it is tags.
I think so, because Azure Text, with Azure Text, we can label resources, right? Location, department, or cost center, or anything like this. So
yeah,
text will.
I
I'm
think so. Yeah. No.
By the way, I will give you 10 seconds break because our bookworm friend is Veronica. Veronica, hopefully you hear me. Veronica is from Barcelona cohort. She's able to hear us, but she's not able to
Unmute herself, right?
we don't hear her. But
Yeah.
Veronica, you are mute. Have you noticed? You are mute.
She's still muted now.
Yeah, that's why we don't hear you.
She's still muted. So, I mentor
On the
Barcelona.
bottom left of your screen, you will see the input options.
Okay, she's unmuted now, so I don't know if I might
We can hear her now. Anyway, if you still can't hear us, you can use snipping tool on your machine. And then if you have any questions, just take the screenshot of the question and the options and share with us on the message chat part of Discord. So then we can help you.
Yeah, 100%. And okay, so we're on question 20. We're on question 20. So where does the monitor store event data?
I think it's the workplace, maybe. What do you reckon, guys? How about the others? It's gonna be either the storage account
or that's messages. It's not gonna be an SQL database. It's not gonna be a storage account.
Think about what we do with event data. What is event data?
Yeah, so it's
and why will
analysis.
we store it? So blob storage stores pictures and everything, right? So event data doesn't necessarily have to be in blob storage.
No.
SQL database stores databases. So event data is data, not a database. So we can eliminate that as well.
And the queue
And
is
I-
messages.
Yes, I will leave it to you, Jordi.
So it's got to be this. It has
Yeah,
to
that
be.
was my response. The workplace.
Sweet.
Which one?
The workplace. Analytics workplace. Oh,
Yeah.
sorry, workspace. Oh my god.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah, from
That
your
was my first. That
From
was
the-
my response anyway.
yeah, from the knowledge
Yes.
of data fabric.
Yeah.
Who can assign Azure policy? You can assign Azure policy to resource group.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll give you a clue with this one. What? Yeah. What do you start off? Excuse me. What do you start off with?
The resource group.
So it's got to be group, isn't it?
Yep, I agree with
Yeah.
you.
Yeah, I agree.
So
I think it's conditional access.
I would say so. Actually, yeah.
Yeah.
Or deny, yeah. I would say so.
Yeah.
Okay.
No,
These ones.
not necessarily.
These ones are easy.
Did you say yes or no?
No, I
Yeah,
don't.
yeah, you're correct. No.
Yeah.
This is a capital explanation.
Yeah. That's capital. Yeah. Oh.
Next,
Flip.
monthly salaries.
Yeah, running cost.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Is it
software.
no?
So that's got to be yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Is yes, because it's not hardware is the expensive ones.
Yeah, like
This one
OPEX,
These are
operational
like
expenditure.
subscriptions. Yeah, subscriptions.
And the other one is
Plants.
it's more hardware.
Yeah, structures. Yeah,
Yeah.
physical structures. Now you need to pick three options here.
Oh.
Yeah,
This one is difficult.
yeah. But the
I'll
funny
let you
thing is that
read through
even
it because
yeah,
this one is
even if you
difficult.
get one right, you get your score for it. So don't be scared. You can only get
Oh, number 3 should be the Linux, and the Azure CLI tools installed. And then Windows. That's a tricky one. Computer that runs Chrome. A computer that runs Chrome OS and uses Azure Cloud Shell. Definitely, that's the one.
Okay, you want to go with this one?
That one, and then. Oh no, we've got the PowerShell. One sec. Yeah, that one.
What about this?
Yeah, that one as well. And number 4.
why not? How about number 5?
Yes.
Or is it number 5 or number 4?
No, I think number 4, you're right.
I would say I don't think it needs Windows 11.
Yeah, that's the one. Number
Yeah,
4.
4.
Okay, I'll
Yeah.
go with that. I'll go with that. Okay. Yeah, okay. I'll go with that.
Let's see how it goes.
Yeah, we'll see how it goes, yeah.
Your company's got several business units. Ooh, some types of Azure resources. automatic creation. Okay, so I think virtual machine skill sets.
20 different.
Templates.
Yeah,
Yeah, it must be
templates, because you need
templates.
to copy and replicate it. Yeah.
Yeah, templates. Agree
Yeah.
with Allah.
Yes.
Templates.
Yeah, just go for templates.
Yes.
Okay.
Plan to reduce expenditure. Okay.
Oh, we got three.
Yeah.
I think it's gonna be the type of process data.
Mm.
Maybe the service tier.
Obviously.
Is it the region? Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you think, guys? Do you
I
agree?
think so. Yeah.
Well,
Good.
I'm actually thinking.
You have to replace one of
about
them.
this one.
The type of
The
data
data.
doesn't
Inbound doesn't matter, but outbound does
Yeah.
matter.
How
So
about the inbound data, Jordan?
No, it won't.
It won't? Okay, then.
No, I think it's outbound. I would delete that one and put that one in.
Okay.
Yep.
The
I
service
agree.
tier, yes. The region, yes.
And
Inbound
data.
data, no.
No.
Let's go with that.
The type of data, no.
no, doesn't matter.
So yeah. Okay. Oh.
I think the
this
application
question,
insights.
I've had this question before. I know this one.
The insights. Application insights.
It is, yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Departments.
Budgets.
Departments.
Oh,
Departments.
text. Is it text?
There's no text there.
I would say tags, yeah.
Yeah.
Naming is naming the department is tags.
Yeah, tags.
This particular set likes text.
yeah, exactly. Of course, she's still right, because part of the name is a text.
Okay, so I'll let you read through that one. I'm not going to read it out myself. So VNet 1, you got RG1. Oh yeah. I know this one.
So it's gonna be a read-only object.
So, and specifically, that virtual networks are not allowed.
What do you reckon? Allah Holden.
Not allowed, so
Maybe a read-only or
are not allowed.
It's definitely not deleted automatically.
Yeah.
Which we said before.
Yeah, that's negative. That's really negative. Every other thing is positive.
Yeah, so continues to function normally.
Yeah, 100% it does, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Because it doesn't mention about deleting anything. It doesn't mention about moving to another resource group. And it doesn't mention about making it a read-only object. So everything continues to function normally.
Yep, 100%.
Nice.
Yeah. I agree with that.
Can use.
So you can use something in Azure to send an email alert.
It's the alerts, the budget alerts.
Okay. Straight in there.
Okay, from Azure Service Health, and administrator can view the health.
Also,
The services. I think so.
Of course they
Yes.
can. Yeah.
yeah.
Yep.
I can create a row.
Yeah.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah. I would say so.
Last question.
What was it, the last one?
No,
Okay.
he can't provide a failure.
Exactly.
No,
You
it's
cannot
just to
prevent a
inform me,
failure.
just to give you
Yeah.
information. Yeah.
Okay, I'm thinking about 94%. Maybe 90. Who knows? Oh,
Oh.
Well, 100%.
Hey!
yeah.
Wow.
Congratulations. Group power.
shit.
Guys,
I thought we
Jordi,
got some
yeah.
wrong.
Can I ask a question, Jordi? You know
Yeah.
that website, the crack certs.
Yeah.
So if you wanted to do the practice exams, you pay $9.99. Is it a monthly payment, or is it just one time off to do all the tests, the practice tests?
Yeah, just one time.
Oh, okay. So it works at £8, right?
Yeah, it's
Oh.
like £7 or £8,
£7.
whatever it is. Yeah.
And then you've got 8 practice tests. Is that correct?
Yes, but it depends on the different exam that you're doing. Some ones give you like maybe 10 tests. Others give you more. But yeah, it's about £7 or £8. So.
Okay. No, it's not a monthly payment. It's just one time off.
No, it's
You
just
can
one
do all the
time.
tests,
Yeah,
right?
no, it's just one
Okay.
time.
I thought that it's 7 or 8 quid per test.
No.
Is it per? It's not per test, right?
No, it's not per test. No. No, you get
So-
all of those tests. You have access to them for like £7.
What else does it give you?
Forever.
Okay.
To be honest, I prepared for the exam using Microsoft Learn,
Okay.
and then I did the free test online, whatever I found.
Sorry.
And then if
You
there is
use the
anything
crack
I
tests. You use the
I
crack
think-
certs.
Yes, I did, because when you first try, I think it's free of charge. So yeah, whatever free, I tried everything. And I passed the test, first one.
Hold on.
So it was
When you
pretty
said
easy.
when you said that you've used the Microsoft Learn, did you mean the theory, the material from Microsoft Learn, or the test itself on Microsoft Learn?
Test itself, because after every single syllable on Microsoft Learn for this particular certificate exam preparation, then it asks you questions. So I took these questions again and again, because every time when you try, it generates a new question, just like these sticky ones. You know, the same concept, but different questions and different answers.
Yeah.
So it is like this. So I found it quite useful, actually.
Nice. Good
And
job.
then
Good job.
from last week, if you remember, we also shared with you different websites other than Craigslist. So you can try different sites. It is beneficial, I think.
Okay.
Trying different sites. It is because they all have a different style. So
Exactly.
you get used to seeing different questions and answering different questions about the similar subject matter.
Okay.
It is like working in the same department of a company. You are doing similar things as a team.